Okay, so after opening this software, the interface of this will be look like this. Okay, the theme will be gray color. Okay, so let me open Photoshop at the same time, so you'll be understanding the theme and the tools very easily. Okay, now this is Photoshop at the right side, and this is GIMP. Who don't know about what is GIMP? The GIMP is a software which is alternative of Photoshop, which is mean it is the copy of Photoshop. You can edit your pictures same as Photoshop. Now why you have to use alternative of Photoshop? I mean, why you have to use the GIMP? Because you cannot download Photoshop CC 2020 version because of the system requirements. So this is the best option for you to use. Okay, now what we have to do today is to make the theme. Okay, the theme is already same as Photoshop, but we have to edit this toolbar. Okay, and make look like same as the Photoshop one. Okay, which is in one line, but here this is in rows. Okay, so we have to make changes in this. First of all, to make this in one row, we have to delete these tabs. Okay, so we'll click on this and close the tab, and also do it for these three. Now to bring this in one line, just click on these three dots and hold and drag this to the left. Now this is become in one line. Now look at this Photoshop tools and look at this GIMP tool. Now these are same as Photoshop. Now one thing you have to make changes in GIMP is to bring the color panel here. Okay, so we have to add a tab here, so click on this and go to add tab. You can add every tab from here. Okay, you can add gradients, you can add palettes, you can add pen dynamics, brushes, and colors. We have to add colors. Okay, so click on the colors and it will be automatically add here. Okay, now this is the color panel, looks same as Photoshop one. Okay, now this is the color panel looking same as Photoshop. Look at this color and you will get same experience like Photoshop, and you can add your pictures same as Photoshop. Now we have to add one more tab, which is we call tool option. Now what is tool option? Tool option is the options which can control the size of your brush, the aspect ratio, the angle, spacing, and hardness and force. Okay, if you pick up a brush, it can control the size of your brush, it can control angle. If you click on eraser, it can also control the size of your eraser and everything you have picked. Now I'm going to tell all those editors who want to edit their pictures like Photoshop, please download this. It doesn't need high GB RAM, it is just need 2 GB RAM. Okay, even it doesn't need 2 GB RAM. Okay, and you can download this on every PC. Okay, and feel same as Photoshop. Okay, now I want to show you a picture I edited on GIMP. Okay, now this is the picture I edited on GIMP. It's also present on my Instagram, so go and check out this, and this is edited in GIMP. Now I want to show you another picture, which is this one. This is also edited in GIMP, and I was just testing GIMP to know that it can edit your pictures like Photoshop or not. And the developer of this app says that this is the copy of Photoshop, and yes, it is true, it is the copy of Photoshop, but you can run it on every PC. I also made some logos here like this one and like this sketch. Okay, you can do whatever you want in GIMP, so link is in description. Go download this and make sure to subscribe to my channel, so I will give you tutorial about editing through this app, and you will edit your pictures on PC in good quality.